Hello my lovelies and welcome back to my channel. My name is Nancy. Thank you so much for watching. Today I am going to be filming my unboxing. Technically I won't be really unboxing. My main focus is this pretty palette from Alamar Cosmetics. This is a beautiful palette. This is the Reina Del Caribe palette. I'm butchering the palette name, I already know. I tried to listen to how to pronounce this palette a couple of times, and every time somebody pronounces it, they just pronounce it so fast. So yeah, but besides the point, this is what I created with the palette. Such a pretty palette inspired by Cuba culture, and this was created by a Cuban woman, Gabby. She works closely to BOXYCHARM, so if you guys follow BOXYCHARM on social media, you guys probably seen her on there. She usually talks on like Instagram stories or on like Snapchat. So yeah, she's an amazing makeup artist, and she now has her own line, well, her own palette, which will eventually be her makeup line. I'm pretty sure she is going to extend because this is volume 1. I am stoked to see what volume 2 is going to be, and I really hope it's in the next BOXYCHARM. And speaking of BOXYCHARM, you guys should definitely sign up. I know BOXYCHARM is I know a lot of great things is happening to BOXYCHARM. They announced that they were going to create a bigger box, a luxe box or something. They're going to upgrade the box. So this is the box right here. This size, $21, 5 products. Today I got 6 products. So like, you always pay just $21 and you get such good products in the palette. I got Luxie brushes, I got Alamar Cosmetics liquid lipsticks, I got Brazilian Bum Bum, I got this pretty palette. They are always including palettes in these boxes, which is super cool because palettes are really expensive to afford sometimes, and if you only pay $21 and you get a pretty palette, like, that is such a steal. So definitely check it out, definitely subscribe. $21 a month. Awesome products. The value of the box is just so much. It's always over $100, so definitely get your hands on it while you can. And if you guys are interested in how I got this look, then please continue watching. I'm planning to film this video for quite a while now, and I know I've been pushing it off, but I'm ready to film it. My BOXYCHARM. Let's go and jump into this video. What I'm super excited about is mostly this gorgeous palette. This is from Alamar Cosmetics, and this is the Reina Del Caribe. Hopefully I said that right. I'm sorry I'm butchering it. Inspired by the beauty and rich culture of Cuba, the birthplace of Alamar, and I think it is so pretty. I was so excited to get this palette. I already used some shades. It was just so pretty, I couldn't resist it, and yeah, it's so pretty. Of course it came in my BOXYCHARM, so I will be using the products that came in my BOXYCHARM. The Caribbean Queen. It's so cool. BOXYCHARM, I guess, is coming out with these cute little pamphlets instead of just a little card. And yeah, this palette retails for $28. Not bad at all. Pan size is pretty big in my opinion. You get 8 shades, but like I said, it's super pigmented since I already used it. So yeah, the has some matte shades down here, 4 matte shades and 4 shimmer shades, and they're so pretty, and I can't wait to use it. So yeah, let's dig into the palette, shall we? Let's just go ahead and start off with a crease shade, and I want to go into this shade called Cocoa Taxi. Look how pigmented that is. Super pigmented. Next up, we're going into Guantanamera. Then I'm thinking of doing a cut crease. So let's just put that shade and flip it out. Same thing to the other side. Alright, so I want to go in with a cut crease, so I will be cutting my crease, obviously. Go into the soft ochre pink pot from MAC as always. Put that right there, right underneath the crease. Right underneath the shade. Going in with the shade La Costa. Super cute how in the packaging it has a little water drop right here, symbolizing that we can wet the shade, and there's a little sun here saying that we can use it dry. So I thought that was pretty cute. So for now I am going to just put this in the first half of my eyes, just halfway. First half. I love cutting my crease. Just makes my eyelid look so much bigger than it really is. The outer half, I'm going in with this shade right here. And this shade is called El Melecon. Guys, I am butchering the shade. I'm so sorry, Gabby. And putting that in the center. Gradient effect from the center shade to the outer. We'll be going in with my Ciate Fierce Flicks eyeliner. My eye with this. And then I will be going in with the lashes that came in the box. These are the Baddington lashes. Super cute right here. The Monroe Silk lashes retails for $28 as well, so I'm going to be putting these on and I will be right back. The lashes are a little bit thinner, so I feel like it was a little bit harder for me to put on personally. I don't really like the thinner bands just because it's much harder for me to put on. Nonetheless, I still really like the way it looks, and definitely will wear this like when I go out shopping or doing something outdoors. So yeah, I truly really like how natural it looks. Do the face, I got in these brushes, these Luxie brushes. This is the 3-piece flawless complexion and it retails for $42. So this one is a tapered highlighter. Cool. So I apply my highlighter with this one. This is a precision foundation, which I already had my foundation on before this, but we'll definitely be trying this out. And this one is the dual fiber powder. Yeah, that's eye right there. So let's go back to finish the eyes. I'm really wanting to go into one of these two blue shades right here, either Varadero or Celia. And I'm really intrigued with Celia. I feel like it's such a pretty like aqua shade, so I probably go in with that one. Celia. I'm going to apply that underneath the eyes. I love it. The inner corner, let's go in with La Costa again. Going in with my Pink of Me from Marc Jacobs, my favorite. I'm going to put this eyeliner from my waterline underneath. For highlight, I'm going in with my Jouer Rose Quartz highlighter. And I will be using the tapered highlighter brush from Luxie, the 522 brush. Just going to tap some of that. Put it on here. Oh yeah. I feel like I always say that. Oh yeah. The nails. Oh damn. Spraying some Cover FX Dewy Finish Setting Spray. See what else do we have in our box. We have this cute little Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. So we have this cream right here. This is a little deluxe size, which I'm totally okay with it. So this one is $10. This tiny little ones, and I think they sell this at Sephora. Smells super good. It's like this. I'm probably gonna throw this in my bag. And lastly, in the box we have the Ofra Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick in the shade Verona. So this is $21. I love getting Ofra lipsticks, liquid lipsticks, because they are pretty darn good. It's right up my alley. This is the look. Alright you guys, this concludes the tutorial. I really enjoyed the palette so much. I think the palette is so pretty. I love the outcome. I've been wearing this palette even before I started filming this video, and I already love it so much. It's just so pigmented, like, oh, it's so pretty. The colors are so amazing, and I'm just in love with this. So yes, you guys, definitely check out BOXYCHARM, definitely check out Alamar Cosmetics. All the products in here are always super amazing. You guys are definitely missing out if you guys are not subscribed to this subscription box. Definitely missing out. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really hope you guys like this look. Don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe to my channel before you all leave, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.